Hello friends, welcome to Kalpa Creations by Ruchita. Today we are going to make kharvas. This kharvas is an Indian milk pudding made from cow or buffalo colostrum, the first form of milk produced within 1 or 2 days of giving birth. It originates in the western Indian state of Maharashtra. It is prepared by steaming milk of colostrum and jaggery or sugar until it coagulates into a jiggling solid. We are trying to bring the same taste and texture without the colostrum milk. If you are new to my channel, then please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified as soon as I upload my new video. If you like this video, then please share it with your family and friends. Please check the description box for detailed recipe. The ingredients to make kharvas are whole milk 500 ml, sugar 1/4 cup, agar 1 tablespoon, cardamom powder 1 teaspoon, saffron strands 5 to 6, water 1/4 cup. First of all, soak agar in 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well and keep it aside. Boil the milk in a heavy bottom pan. I have doubled the quantity of the ingredients which are given. Now boil milk till it thickens and keep stirring continuously to avoid milk sticking to the bottom of the vessel. Add sugar and stir continuously again. You should see the thick texture of the milk. Now heat agar and water mixture and stir continuously till it looks like a gelatinous texture or the agar flakes get dissolved into the water. Add this agar to the boiling milk and stir well. When the mixture looks thick texture, then pour it in the container. Sprinkle some cardamom powder and saffron. Let it cool down and keep it in fridge for 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, take it out, demold it, cut and serve. So friends, without having the colostrum milk, we have made this kharvas, or you can call it as a milk pudding. It is very easy to make, no fail recipe and very tasty. Thank you. Let us meet in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.